Well, despite years of research in science, there are still plenty of unknowns about the human brain, how it works, why in some cases it doesn't work or work correctly. Well, there is one senior at Bennett High School in Salisbury who's trying to make sense of it all and help open doors in the future.
WBOC's Bill Mitch joins us tonight in the Newsplex. And Bill, Michael Lee is laying the groundwork for some very important research on neurological disease in the future.
Paula, just 17 years old, Michael is using computer science and math as the tools to unravel the mysteries of the brain. It's a very complex subject, but Michael is able to explain how it could be used in research for things like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. This is the work that Michael Lee will present at a nationwide science competition in D.C. But before he goes, he took the time to show us and tell us about this mathematical formula he says helps develop a better understanding of how the brain works.
So I basically, in my project, used a mathematical model, a statistical model, to kind of see what types of factors were affecting neural response in the posterior parietal cortex of the brain, which is an area of the brain that's really important for decision making.
Michael spent 8 weeks doing this research, including over 6 weeks at Stony Brook University last summer. He said the goal of his research is to understand how a healthy brain works. And with that knowledge, researchers in the future could...
Eventually, in the future, maybe we can compare how a healthy brain works to how a brain afflicted with certain diseases works, and see, what exactly malfunctions in this in an unhealthy brain.
Michael says he's not curing diseases at 17 that people have been researching for a century, but he is doing his part to help make a difference.
We're relating, right? We're trying to figure out.
This weekend, Michael Lee heads to the Intel Science Talent Search in D.C. It's a very prestigious pre-college science event, and of course, we wish him the best of luck.
Thank you, Bill.